Does your business work the way you want it to? Are you able to measure the work consistently? Do you know how to react to the report to customer dissatisfaction? Do you really know what's happening into your business and how you get the results you get? Do you know how to improve and where to find the time to grow? Are your workforce happy? If your answer is no to any of these questions, then an ISO certification will help to make a difference. Hi, this is Badr Mumtaz, and today I am going to tell you about what is an ISO and how will it benefit into your organization. We live in an amazing world full of incredible opportunities and endless possibilities, but it can also be a complex and overwhelming place when things don't work as they should. It often means that standards are absent. But when ISO standards are applied, life is so much richer. From food safety to computers, from healthcare to new technologies, ISO can make a positive difference to all our life, utilizing a wealth of international experience and wisdom. As you can see, there is a chocolate in my hand, and on the back side of this chocolate, I have a very valuable information, that is nutritional information. So by having this chocolate, I know that how much amount of carbohydrates, protein, fat, etc. will I consume by having this single piece of chocolate. Also, on the back side of this wrapper, you can see that there is a manufacturing and expiry date as well. If these valuable information are not present, then as a consumer, it could lead to a health risk and may also cause a serious issue after consuming without knowledge. So, let's start with what is ISO. ISO, full form International Organization for Standardization, is an international standard setting body founded on 23rd Feb 1947. The headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and it works in 164 countries worldwide. It is independent, non-government organization. ISO, it's a big group that helps different companies and organizations agree on how things should be done to make sure the product and service are safe, reliable, and of good quality. ISO creates and publishes standards which are like agreed upon instructions that help everyone play by the same rules. These standards cover a wide range of things, from how products are made to how services are provided, make things more organized and consistent around the world. ISO certification will help make a difference to reduce wastage, stop duplication, to stop having a firefight to retain the customers. Then you need to think and act it differently. Why? Because if you always do what you have always done, you are always going to get what you always got. For that, you need to have an ISO standard. So now, let us see how the ISO implementation will benefit in your organization. ISO will help in analyzing how to improve the system you have, what and how to report back to the management, so this matches what you already do as closely as possible while without significant alteration. It will help in identifying the necessary training to assist the development of the procedures to reduce instance of waste and duplication and to ensure full reporting control throughout your company, so you and your people come together as an efficient working team. Implementing an ISO standard will gain you a happier workforce combined with a very satisfied client base, leading to enhanced financial return. Number 1. Improvement analysis. ISO enables the organization to systematically analyze their systems for potential improvement by offering structured framework and guidelines. It assists in identifying inefficiencies, gaps, and areas of concern within process, enabling companies to make informed decisions on how to enhance their operation. Next is management alignment. The goal of aligning ISO adoption with the current practice is to integrate the ISO standard smoothly into an organization's existing method. This minimizes disruption and ensures that ISO requirements fit well within the company's established process, promoting a seamless transition to compliance. Next is reporting to management. When adopting ISO standards, reporting to management involves regularly updating and informing organizational leadership about the progress and outcomes of ISO implementation. This transparency ensures that the management is aware of the efforts, challenges, and improvements related to the ISO compliance. Next is training identification. ISO helps identify necessary training by highlighting areas where employees need to develop new skills or improve existing ones to meet ISO standards. This analysis ensures that the workforce receives targeted training to effectively implement and maintain the required practice and processes. Next is procedure development. ISO helps develop efficient procedures by providing established guidelines and the best practices. These standards assist organizations in creating streamlined and effective processes that minimize waste, enhance productivity, and ensure consistency in operations. Next is reporting control. ISO ensures comprehensive reporting control by establishing standardized guidelines for recording, documenting, and reporting various aspects of an organization's activities. This consistency in reporting practices helps maintain accuracy, transparency, and accountability across the company's operations, contributing to better decision making and compliance with ISO standards. Next is efficiency and collaboration. ISO implementation fosters efficient teamwork by encouraging employees to align their efforts toward the common objectives and follow standardized processes. This collaboration ensures smooth coordination, better communication, and the effective utilization of each team member's skill. ISO emphasizes on structured procedure and shared goals, enhance overall teamwork and productivity. Next is happier workforce. ISO adoption leads to employee satisfaction by providing clear guidelines, standardized procedures, and efficient workflow. This clarity reduces confusion and frustration among the employees, enhancing their sense of purpose and job satisfaction. When employees understand their roles and contribute to well-defined processes, they are more likely to feel valued and motivated in their work. Next is satisfied client base. ISO-driven efficiency pleases clients by ensuring that products or services are delivered consistently at high standard. ISO implementation emphasizes streamlined processes and quality control, leading to fewer errors, timely deliveries, and reliable outcomes. Satisfied clients appreciate the reliability and professionalism, which can result in long-lasting relationships and positive word-of-mouth referrals. And the last, financial returns. ISO adoption contributes to financial enhancement by optimizing operations, reducing waste, improving quality, and enhancing customer satisfaction. These improvements result in increased efficiency, cost saving, repeat business from satisfied clients, and a positive reputation in the market. The overall financial gain stems from the streamlined processes and improved performance achieved through the ISO standard implementations. So, are you ready now to be called as an ISO certified organization? QDegrees ISO Consultation will surely make a difference. ISO Consultant will guide you for ISO implementation and certification to be done for your organization. Following the approach of process writing, creating workflows, ISO standard training, process implementation, internal audit, and continual improvement. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please do visit www.qdegrees.com.